The U.S. Supreme Court's decision to decide whether Donald Trump is immune from criminal prosecution in his election subversion case won't just set a huge historical precedent. It is hugely crucial because of its timing. A lower court already ruled unanimously that Trump is not immune from prosecution for allegedly trying to overturn the 2020 election, which culminated in the January 6th Capitol attack and outlined by the special prosecutor last year.
It was fueled by lies. Lies by the defendant targeted at obstructing a bedrock function of the U.S. government.
Trump argued that being president at the time granted him immunity, but the lower court disagreed. The Supreme Court could have chosen not to take this case and let that lower court ruling stand, but instead it wants to have the final say. The Supreme Court will start hearing this case in late April, and most court watchers think Trump will lose the case, that the court will agree with the lower court that Trump is not immune from prosecution. But with the final decision not expected until June, that means the possible trial for Trump might not finish, much less even start, until after the November election. Trump posted to social media that he was happy the Supreme Court will hear the case. His legal strategy has long been to delay it as much as possible. Polls have shown that of the 4 criminal cases Trump is facing, it's this one that could get a sizable number of his supporters to abandon him if he's found guilty before the election. But if there's no verdict by then, not only would Trump likely keep those supporters, he will also have the power to make the entire case simply disappear if he wins the presidency again. All of which could leave American voters very unsure about what happened in the 2020 election and about what awaits as they cast their ballots. Andy Roesgen, TRT World.